I touched on the ideal posting schedule a little in the last video, but I'm going to break it down more here, and why this is even the ideal schedule. So as I mentioned, the ideal posting schedule on TikTok is to post at least 3 times a day. If you want to grow real quick, that is. You don't have to post 3 times a day, but that is the best for growth. Posting once a day is fine, but you'll be relying more on going viral that way than if you just keep consistently posting. And here's why. TikTok is a short-form video platform that people typically spend an hour a day on. Now, let's do some maths. If people are generally spending an hour a day watching TikTok videos, and each video is 15 seconds long, that's 240 videos a day they are potentially watching. Now that's a lot of content, but it is also a great opportunity. Because they are watching so much, it gives you the chance to come up more in their feed if you're posting more content. Remember, it's all about luck and consistency. Consistency to grow the luck you appear in the For You page. And TikTok loves content. They need people to be making as much content as possible to keep up with the people consuming on their platform. So they will send the latest content out to people if they can, especially later into that hour a day. And you can see this if you scroll through a lot of content. Initially, you'll get the trending stuff. These videos will have like 50,000 likes and above, they'll be massive. But the more you go through it, the smaller the number gets, and you start seeing content that maybe has 100 likes, maybe 0 likes. So this is where you can win. If you're posting a lot of content regularly, you have a high chance of being shown to new people, which also gets you more followers, gets you more views, and pushes your videos further and further up that ranking system.